it's all meant to be. Would you believe me? Would you agree? It's almost that feeling like we've met before. So tell me that you don't think I'm crazy when I tell you love has come here and now.